this is kind of one of the day trips we're doing today. So we have a little bit of nature. We're going to go on a little walk, see some animals. So come on with us and let's go see what kind of stuff, what kind of things we can see, what kind of trouble we can get into.
All right, guys, let's do this.
Peace.
And there's the door. Let's go. And this is basically the entrance to the Nature Hall Center. Just thought we'd give you a show. Alright guys, we are now taking the yellow brick road, like a rock road, out here to the Nature Center. Over here we got a nice little viewing of the stream. Let's go give you a view. There you go. Obviously it's a man-made river, but still nonetheless kind of cool. Alright, there it is. The Wild Runners. Go check it out, y'all. I'd hope to miss down the steps. You know how it goes. There she is, guys. It's the elusive honey bear. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. Just wanted to show you the cool entrance. And then we'll be back at some animals exhibits. Alright guys, we're at one of the first deer pens. Got a beautiful little doe right here saying hi.
Birdie. Hi, Birdie.
Isn't she beautiful?
Odie. Your name's Odie?
Oh, her name is Odie. This is Closure. Hi. You say hi? Oh, I'm guessing that's Issa. Alright guys, there's the deer, and we will bring you back with another animal in just 1 second.
Well, this is the ferret cage. This is where Cora and Freya live now, which is Tarzan's sisters. And they're here with the other ferret that started at the Howell Nature Center. So there's actually 3 of them in here, but they're all sleeping in their box. So
And
nobody gets
Tarzan
to see
is?
them. Tarzan is our ferret that we have at home. And Cora and Freya are his sisters that are here now.
Which we rescued and adopted.
Yes, and we rescued and adopted Tarzan, so... Yep.
And the other, the brothers and sisters, which are right here, Cora and Freya, are in there, but you can't see them. Oh, barely. But this is their habitat now, their new home. So, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. If you look closely right there where I'm pointing, that's a screech owl sleeping in a tree. So we thought we'd show that to you. This is their enclosure. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. We were gonna get you flying squirrels, but they're hidden, so we can't find them. That would be April doing that in the background. This is the wild turkey cage, pen, however you want to call it. And there you go, folks. We see these by our house all the time. Here, let me move over a little bit. There we go. We probably have, what, a dozen of these behind our house? If not more sometimes. Probably at least a dozen. Probably tons more. That would be April making that. Right there, honey bear. She's a dork, guys. Alright. We will, if I can hold my camera still, we will see you on the next animal, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Bye. Alright guys, Honey Bear's gonna tell you what we're looking at here.
What's here is the black-crowned night heron. So apparently they are adapted to live in fresh and salt mixed waters.
Brackish, that's cool.
They spend their days perched on branches and hidden in the leaves and limbs of trees. So you can see they keep the enclosure a little bit darker, but you can see them back there.
Let me zoom in for you guys. There you go.
That's one of them talking in the background there.
You can see him one way back there. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Nice little enclosure for him. Alright guys, we will show you the next animal. See you in a minute.
Okay, so this is the barred owl is back here. These are actually the owls we have nesting in our backyard that we haven't really been able to see. We just heard and kind of seen. This is Athena, the barred owl. So she's back up there in her enclosure.
Let me zoom you all back in. Maybe. There we go. There she is. There's Athena. That's the barred owl right there. Pretty cool.
And one thing also to tell you about the Howell Nature Center is that all these animals that you see in the enclosures, with the exception of the ferrets, but all the wildlife that you see here, the birds of prey and such, these are all animals that cannot go back out in the wild. They have been rescued and brought here either because of health reasons or because of other reasons, but they cannot be released back into the wild. So they are here spending the rest of their lives because they can't go back out into the wild.
Yeah, so we try to support it. All right, guys, we will see you in the next one. We're here at the Gray Fox. Probably see her up there. Very beautiful. And you gotta remember, all these animals that you see, these are all Michigan native that were injured or sick or whatever, and was brought here to Howell Nature Center out by where we live. They've been mended and rescued, and now they're this is their permanent home. There's the cage. April, is there anything interesting you want to read on that board or anything?
Yeah. Well, apparently what I just read, I didn't know, is that gray foxes have the same 28 call types as red foxes, but tend to be louder in volume due to their anatomy.
Huh,
remember
I
that.
didn't know that either.
I didn't know they had 28 calls. So
No, look at that. We learned something. We all learned something today. Let's go.
we did learn something today.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next animal.